Mag-unboxing tayo. Galing kay Michelle Kawakudu. Okay, buksan natin guys. Galing sa aking George's na friend, Michelle Kawakudu. Guys, Michelle. Thank you, Michelle. Lagi-lagi always. Thank you. Ako yan naman. My loves. My loves. Oh, ang hirap. Guys, ang daman. Wait lang. Atin share. Hindi ko alam guys, basahin kasi Chinese. And then, this guys, ayan. Dami Michelle lang. Lagi-lagi always talaga Michelle. Ayan. Hindi ako na guys, babasahin lahat ko para sa kanya. So guys, ayan ang mga laman. Wow, may strawberry candy. Ito pa, may chocolate. Wow, balance power. Dito na ako sa kwarto ko sa kama. Dito ko na inukin. And balance power also. Oh, ang dami naman lalabs. Lagi talaga lalabs. Lagi talaga. Wow. The chocolates. Many. This is my first time mag-prepare mga lalabs. Hindi naman kasi ko mag-prepare. Because of you, my love. Then, ito pa na. Ito pa. Ayan pa. Ito pa. Kung patatabain mo kung lalagsan. Ouch! Nalag niya. And this. Biscuits. Ouch! Laglagan mo mga lalabs. Ang dami, my loves. Ang dami guys, so. Ang dami. Ang dami niya, Ayan. Diba? Ayan ang mga pinadala ng aking lalabs. Ayan. Thank you so much, Michelle Kawakudu. You're so very generous. Thank you always. Dami lalabs. Ito yata lalabs yung kasi sabi mo, pampaganda. Ito ba lalabs? Call you later Call you later. And this is, what is this? Fish oil. This is fish oil. Fish oil. I think. Dami chocolate, lalabs. So, patatabain mo talaga ako, no? Ayan. Ang dami niya, Ang dami. Thank you so much, Michelle Kawakudu. Thank you so much. Ayan. Ang dami niya. Meron pa siyang candy yata po. Canada. Fish oil also. Dami lalabs, balance power. Okay guys, thank you so much. Thank you. This is from Michelle Kawakudu. You see that? So many. Dami, diba? Okay guys, thank you so much. So, ang dami guys. So, thank you. Bye guys. Thank you so much.